Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in. I want to thank all that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. So, last week was hell week for me. I got the flu. Wow, I didn't think anybody could give up that kind of fluid, you know what I mean? Top and bottom. Harsh. Don't know where it come from, just out of the blue. Felt good the day going to work and boop, done. I mean, it was like all week long. Wasn't good. Didn't like it. So anyways, Mach 1 models have been coming on slow. Just haven't been back out here, guys. Trying to get them done, but just so much going on. Trying to get things this and that done, this and that. Working on it. We're getting there. We are getting there. So I have received my first shop card. My card from Blue Ox Models. I appreciate Jason for the kind words. And you guys haven't checked out his channel, check him out at Blue Ox Models. So I'll be hanging this on the wall and have to get me a collection going. See, some of you guys have quite a collection going. Good for you guys. It's awesome to support everybody's, channels. I think that's really cool about the, the car modeling community. It's really cool. So speaking of supporting, I went down to the hobby shop the other day. Kind of just after I was getting out of the sickness a little bit, maybe. Down to Great Lakes Hobby in Sterling Heights. Picked up a couple kits. So this one kit my brother had back in the day when we were kids. This hobby shop, it was an old Ben Franklin's in Marlette. And they used to have model kits galore. And they had this kit in there my brother bought it. They only had one. I thought, oh, I wanted that. But he bought it. He put it together. It looked pretty cool. And I thought, man, I'd love to find one of those. And I never found one. And they must have re-released it because I've been seeing them here and there now and then. So I had to have it. Where it's at now, the one he built, I don't know. Probably in landfill somewhere. Probably a Coke bottle. I don't know. Anyways, I see... I'm assuming round 2 re-released them, and I had to have it, so it's pretty cool. It's actually the old snowplow model kit. Did the big old wing blade on it. Cool kit. Had to have it. So anyways, I will show you guys what I picked up and go from there. Like say, the Mach 1 models, they're just... I don't know. I mean, I got the silver one sitting here, and I mean, I got some little grill work done. This piece here is like the end of it. Just, it wouldn't stay in, obviously I'm gluing over paint. So I use a little bit of super glue to put it on. Guys, this has all happened to you. And this is something that I made me put it down. I'm done. I have a little smudge here. I have no idea where it come from. It feels like glue. I'm thinking, come on, what am I, 5? It must have been just a little bit on my finger. I don't know. I'm hoping I can polish that out, but I'm thinking, you gotta be kidding me right now. I'm telling on myself. I'll try to hide it later on when it's done, but it happens. I know. I could probably polish it out. I mean, it's not very noticeable, but you look at it just the right light, it's like, man, there's a fingerprint in there. And you know how it is trying to get glue print out of paint. I can't believe that happened. I was being so careful. It's usually how it goes, right? So I'm putting this down for a bit just because of that. I had to walk away. Walk away. You'll be there later. It happens. It happens. Hasn't happened in a long time, but it happens. So I was fighting on that piece. I mean, I pre-fit this piece before I even painted it, and it wants tip, like away from the body, and it just doesn't fit right. So I shaved it and carved it and shaved it, and I finally got to where it's like okay, and I thought, once I glue this, I'll just super glue it on and we'll be okay. Well, we're not okay, because I got a little bit on the fender, and I have no idea. So the only thing I could think of when I was holding it, I must have got just a little bit on the edge of my finger, and when I was flipping the body around to hold it again, it must have just rubbed just enough to... Yeah, you know how it goes. Okay. Hey, let me show you these kits I got, and pretty happy with them. So, hold on. Okay, guys. So I picked up 2 kits. I picked up this bad boy. I love this body style. Love it. That just screams 60s right there. It's just such a cool kit. I saw that and I thought, man, kind of cool. You can do the hard top or convertible. The old retro kit. Yeah, so I thought that was pretty cool. AMT jobby job here. Sorry about the sinus problem tonight, guys. My sinuses are just having a good old time. So yeah, I thought that was a pretty bad boy kit. So that's the first kit I got. Okay, and the second one we picked up, the old snowplow kit. I don't know if you guys ever built this kit, but like I say, my brother built this and I thought, what a cool kit. Just a neat kit. And I think they must have added a few things, because I think when he built it, I do not remember the salt spreader in the back. Maybe it had it, but I don't remember that. But I know when he did his, he left the blade off in it. And then later in time, I think he took the dump truck off and we used it as a semi. And he had the Union 76 trailer, which I have here, and he used that as the semi to pull it, hook onto it. So that's what he ultimately did with his kit in the end. But yeah, I was super stoked to see this, and they had quite a few of them there, and I thought, oh yeah, I gotta have this. That looked cool. Kind of excited about it. So yeah, cool kit. So anyways, guys, just a real short, quick video, kind of where I've been at and doing what. Like I say, last week just wasn't a pleasant week for myself. And we're getting back on it. So, been looking up some things for my diorama. Been downloading some programs for 3D print, some files, to make some. I downloaded this really cool ice machine, like the machines you see out front of the party stores. It's got the double doors on it, and it says ice on it with the little AC unit on top. So yeah, so download that, and I think I got a gas pump I like. I might have to do a sample print and see if it looks good, because it's kind of got a, I don't know. But yeah, so anyways, so that's where we're at. So I'll tell you what, you guys have a good one, and I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. And once again, hey, if you like, hit that subscribe button, and we will catch you next time around. You guys have a blessed one. We will see you.